Have you ever considered thinking that there is an opportunity that you're overlooking? An opportunity that could help you earn at least $1,000 every day? That, we're sure, is what you're thinking about right now, and it's why you're viewing this video. In today's video, we're gonna be showing you a totally new strategy for making over $1,000 every single day with only one major website. Aside from the fact that this procedure is completely free, which is clearly fantastic, it's also something you can do as many times as you want, and don't worry, there won't be any selling or making up videos involved. You won't even need professional skills. All you'll need are some basic everyday people skills and you'll be good to go to start earning money with today's method. Anyone from anywhere in the world can participate in today's method because, we don't like leaving anyone behind. Also, make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method and so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, chances are you won't get the results that you want. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. The first website that we're going to be showing you is the website that's gonna generate your passive income. All you need to do is type in the URL that I'm gonna reveal later on, so stay tuned. Hit enter on that and boom, you should find yourself right here. Basically, this website's service is to help Instagram accounts flourish. They sell Instagram followers for as low as $3 and goes up until $9, which, to be honest, sounds like a pretty good deal to us. Anyway, this is the website that's gonna be helping us to make money right away. Now, don't worry, you won't need to create an Instagram account if you don't have one or drag your personal Instagram account in today's method. Nothing like that of the sort. We're gonna be revealing that in a bit, but there's something that we want you to remember. We're walking you through this whole thing, so that will include a whole script, some specific buttons, so just make sure that you pay attention closely because we wouldn't want you guys to be unsuccessful, especially because we know that you can earn $1,000 with this method as long as you listen and follow closely. Now, for those people who live under a rock, Instagram is basically Facebook, except you can only post photos, videos, stories, and etc. You cannot post like just text or status or whatever, and most people use it to share photos and videos, so that's what it mainly is. Now, are you guys ready to hear what strategy we're using today? Before anything else, this is probably our favorite strategy ever because you can only do it on specific websites, so finding websites that actually offer this strategy is rare and must be used to its advantage. Also, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Back to the topic, we're gonna be taking advantage of this site by using their affiliate program. That's how we're gonna earn. Now, that may not be what you expected, but you have to trust us when we say that affiliate programs are the best kinds of making money online strategies because all profit made is completely passive and comes in on complete autopilot as well. I mean, not only is it the easiest thing to ever do, it's also the fastest way to make money. Sometimes the earnings may not be as big as you'd like, but once accumulated, you could definitely be making 6 digits in a year. Going back to join their affiliate program, scroll to the most bottom part of the page, look for affiliate options and select. As you can see, this is this website's affiliate program. Help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get commissions at the same time. There are 4 easy steps to this. 1. Become an affiliate for free. Getting started is simple. Participation is free and has no hidden costs. Expect affiliate commissions for all orders of clients you bring to the Upleap community. Number 2, once you've joined the Upleap affiliate program, you can generate your own affiliate URL to share with your community, ClickFunnels, or anything else that will generate your orders and revenue. Number 3 is to share your URL everywhere. Sharing your URL is crucial to earning yourself a recurring commission. We value affiliates of all sizes, but we really appreciate affiliates that bid up custom funnels to really snowball their own recurring revenue. The more orders we get, the more commissions you'll see. Our top affiliates get paid over $10,000 monthly. Number 4, track earnings and get paid. You'll be able to track every new client you bring to Upleap through your own dedicated affiliate panel. Each client you bring to Upleap delivers you a 30% commission for every order they place with Upleap. Payments are made at thresholds. To sign up, you click this button and then you'll be brought here. See, you're gonna earn a 30% commission. Now, can you imagine? 30% is huge. Now, fill up your first name, your last name, your email, your password, confirm that you're not a robot, agree to the terms of service, and then sign up now. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating more money to me, we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So you can see the scripts that we've made for you that you can easily just copy and paste, because this is the script that's for sure gonna get people to click on your link, and that is what we want. You can easily just copy and paste this into your affiliate's website. Now, if they read this post and click on this link right here and make a purchase, you can earn 30% of the profit. Now that you have the script and you're signed up as an affiliate, you're gonna have to make the ultimate decision of where you're gonna share this post, this affiliate link of yours. This is where Quora.com comes in. This is where we're gonna be getting all the traffic that we need and all the money that we want. Just sign up for a free account, post your copy-pasted link, post with your unique affiliate link, and boom, watch that money just flow straight into your account like a river. Millions of people go on this website every day, and that's why there's no better place to put it but here, and that's basically everything. Now, we need you to remember that you can post this on all social media platforms. You're not limited to Quora, but this is just our best suggestion. You have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can do forums, you can do Tumblr, and just a lot more. You can even make a YouTube video if you're a YouTuber. You can just make a random one and then just say, hey guys, I have like a link down below in my comment section. So that's really all you need to do, and a lot of people, all the traffic that you're gonna bring to that website with your affiliate link is gonna help you earn more money on top of the 30% commission that you're earning. You're still gonna get money for driving traffic inside their website with your link, and that's basically everything. So for the URL of today's website, just type in upleap.com on your browser and do what we showed you to earn money online. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.